Welcome to Daily Devo. I'm Pat. Today we're going to talk about words matter. I love the book of Psalms so much as it's so raw. If you've never read it, I challenge you to take it on. It's a big book. Read it. You'll learn so much as you allow God's Spirit to speak to you through these words of hope, celebration, and praise, but also through words written by individuals who are sometimes in deep despair. One of the things I love about this book is how you can be reading one of the chapters and a simple word or two or a simple phrase or sentence will jump off the page and slap you in the face. Chapter 141 has one of those little verses that did that to me. The writer David begins by begging God to meet him in his prayers, to hear his plea for help, and then bam, verse 3. Listen to it. Take control of what I say, O Lord, and guard my lips. Eugene Peterson paraphrased the first part of that verse by saying, post a guard at my mouth. I love that image of a guard at the gate of our mouth. And don't we need one? Research indicates that the average person will speak enough words in 1 week to fill a book containing hundreds of pages. In 1 week. That means in an average lifetime, the words that come out of your mouth would fill a library containing over 3,000 large books. What I know is that you, like me, would have some sentences and chapters in those books that would contain language and words spoken in frustration, anger, bitterness, gossip, and slander that would make us cringe. I don't need to spend much time explaining the simple idea that words matter. You know it, and I know it. Every one of us can log into our memory banks and pull up things that were said to us years or even decades ago that spoke life or death to you. Words that either make you smile with hope and encouragement or words that still make you cringe and maybe even tear up. Words matter. Which is why 3,000 years ago, David implored God to post a guard at his mouth. What an appropriate prayer for you and me to utter today. What if today we would allow God's Spirit to guard our mouths so that everything that came out of it today were words of hope, words of encouragement, words of life? What if today we allowed God to control our tongues in such a way that the people we spoke to walked away built up, motivated, and loved? Here's another way to look at it. At the end of this little verse, David wrote, guard my lips. People only guard things worth something. People only take the time and resources to put guards around something that holds great value. This holds incredible power, for good or bad. It's worth carefully and consistently guarding. Take control of what I say, O Lord, and guard my lips.